Alex Reid is well known in the financial world for his bold stock predictions and investment tips. He recently claimed that a Patriot power grid is being developed, and if you invest in a certain company contributing to this grid, you can potentially turn $500 into a retirement nest egg. The only problem is that Reid won't reveal the name of this company unless you buy his newsletter. But I have good news. He left enough clues in his presentation to figure out the stock, and I reveal it for free in this video. So, keep watching to see if you can really turn $500 into enough to retire on. Before diving into the stock reveal, we really need to take a look at Alex Reid's past performance as a stock picker. His previous recommendations have made bold promises, but often failed to deliver. In February 2023, Reid recommended a company called Plug Power. He heavily praised the company by calling it a major player in the hydrogen revolution and even claimed that it could yield over 46,000% returns. However, the stock has since plummeted by more than 80%, leaving investors with significant losses. Then, a couple months later, in April 2023, Reid turned his attention to the natural resource sector, specifically graphite, predicting a 20,000% gain in this sector overall. The stock he recommended was Graphite 1, but it has dropped by 44% since his recommendation. And if that wasn't enough, Reid still wasn't finished screwing over the people who trusted his stock picks. In September 2023, Reid hyped up a company called Versus AI by calling it the Apple of AI and suggested that even a small investment could result in life-changing profits. And guess what? Unsurprisingly, this stock has also declined since he first mentioned it. Reid's history is filled with these big, huge claims followed by disappointing outcomes. So the lesson to learn here is that if an investor is claiming a certain stock will give you a return in the tens of thousands of percent, you should be extremely skeptical. Now, Reid is teasing investors about another company, but refuses to tell them unless they pay him for his newsletter. But he accidentally gave too many hints, so I figured out which stock he's talking about. Let's go through these hints together and you can let me know in the comments if you agree with my prediction. Reid's latest presentation hints at a significant opportunity tied to Executive Order 13972, signed by President Trump before leaving office. This order promotes the development of small modular reactors, SMRs, for national defense and space exploration. He emphasized their benefits for resilient and flexible power generation. Based on these hints, it seems that Reid is recommending an investment in a small modular reactor stock, which also happens to be a popular area among stock pickers recently. Now let's look at the clues in the presentation to zoom in on the exact stock he's talking about. The first clue in the presentation was that the company is small, with only 57 employees. The second clue is about the CEO's vision for the company. The CEO has claimed that the company could provide energy at planetary scales for 1 billion+ years. The third clue is that OpenAI CEO Sam Altman helped raise over $500 million for this company. This clue on its own is honestly enough to give the name away. The final clue is that the company has a partnership with the Department of Energy. Company Reid is trying to get you to pay to learn about is Oklo. Oklo Inc. is at the forefront of developing advanced nuclear reactors that promise clean and sustainable energy solutions. Founded in 2013, Oklo is best known for its Aurora reactor design, which aims to make nuclear power more accessible, safer, and less costly. The company uses nuclear waste as fuel, solving both energy and waste problems. This makes fuel more efficient and cuts down on nuclear waste, positioning Oklo as a key player in the move to renewable and low-carbon energy. Recently, Oklo Inc. has garnered considerable attention due to its groundbreaking approach to clean energy. Oklo's innovative technology involves fast fission reactors that use existing nuclear waste as fuel, addressing both energy production and waste management. As of June 3, 2024, Oklo's stock price is approximately $10.07, having fluctuated recently, including a rise to $11.03 on May 29, 2024, followed by a decline. The company's recent partnership with Wyoming Hyperscale to provide 100 megawatts of power has bolstered investor confidence. Despite its potential, Oklo faces financial challenges, with a recent earnings report showing a significant loss, an EPS of -$4.79 for May 2024. However, its innovative technology and backing from notable investors like Sam Altman make it a compelling growth stock. With a market capitalization of approximately $337 million, Oklo is gaining traction among investors for its potential to revolutionize the nuclear energy sector through ongoing projects and partnerships aimed at expanding clean energy solutions. But when you're so early to new technology, there's inherent risk, especially when the technology you're pioneering is advanced nuclear technology. So if you're interested in SMR companies but you don't want to put all your eggs in Oklo, here are 3 other companies that you might be interested in. Number 1, X-Energy. X-Energy is focused on developing high-temperature gas-cooled reactors, specifically their Z100 model. This advanced SMR design offers 80 MWe of electrical output and uses TRISO-X fuel, known for its high safety and efficiency. The Z100 reactors are designed for scalability and can be configured into larger power plants, making them suitable for various industrial applications. Number 2, Moltex Energy. Moltex Energy specializes in molten salt reactors, which use liquid salt as both the fuel and the coolant. This design is intended to provide a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional nuclear reactors. Moltex's technology aims to address nuclear waste issues by using existing nuclear waste as fuel, thus reducing the overall environmental impact and improving fuel efficiency. Number 3, Holtec International. Holtec International is developing SMRs with an emphasis on safety, reliability, and operational flexibility. Their SMR 160 design uses light water reactor technology and aims to provide a compact, efficient solution for clean energy production. Holtec is involved in various projects to deploy these reactors globally, focusing on meeting the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. These companies, along with Oklo, present different innovative approaches within the SMR market, offering investors various opportunities to participate in the future of clean and safe nuclear energy. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.